120th Anniversary Royal Enfield twins coming to America. Continental GT 650 will cross. We first saw them at EICMA 2021, and soon the 120th Anniversary Royal Enfield twins, INT 650 and Continental GT 650, will cross the Pacific Ocean and hit American shores. Although mechanically the same as the standard 650 twins, the 120th Anniversary Royal Enfields have many distinctive aesthetic changes, along with functional enhancements. Let's start with the fuel tank. The limited edition twins get a black chrome process that Royal Enfield developed at its manufacturing facility in Thiruvottiyur, Chennai, India, which has been turning out Royal Enfields since the 1950s. Royal Enfield claims the graphite-based chroming is an alternate, sustainable trivalent eco-friendly process. To complement the black chrome tank, which gets hand-applied yellow pinstripes, the engine and exhaust system are blacked out, as are several smaller components. While admiring the tank, it is impossible to miss its incredible brass badges. The badge design was a collaboration between Royal Enfield designers in England and India. However, the magic is in the execution. The Sirpi Senthil family has been creating brass effigies for Indian temples for centuries. Based in Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu, India, the family has produced multiple generations of artisans. The tank badge project with Royal Enfield is the first time the Sirpi Senthil family has worked with a motor company. Fans of the Royal Enfield INT 650 and Continental GT 650 will notice that many Royal Enfield genuine motorcycle accessories have been added to the twins for the 120th anniversary edition. Note the bar end mirrors, fly screen, engine guards, and heel guards, for instance. Just in case anyone missed all the other styling cues, such as the color-matched brown grips and cross-stitched seat, there's an unambiguous 120th anniversary decal on the side panels. The motorcycles will be produced in very limited quantities. There will be 480 examples produced, with 30 INT 650s and 30 Continental GT 650s imported to the United States. The motorcycles will be sent to 4 regions, with each region getting its own numbered badges on the top of the tank. So, the US versions will each have a number from 1 to 60 on the top tank badge,